Sunday Painter.
I want to introduce you to famous quotes for artists to inspire your creativity to get you painting. In this short video we are looking for your spark. The ability to transcend traditional ideas, to create meaningful interpretations of originality and imagination. For more art information like this you can only get here. Subscribe to the Sunday Painter and hit the little bell so you know when I post a new art-related video. Painting is self-discovery. Every good artist paints what he or she is. Jackson Pollock. All you need to paint is a few tools, a little instruction, and a vision in your mind. Bob Ross. I don't paint dreams or nightmares, I paint my own reality. Frida Kahlo. Painting is just another way of keeping a diary. Pablo Picasso. If you hear a voice within you say you cannot paint, then by all means paint and that voice will be silenced. Vincent van Gogh. A painting requires a little mystery, some vagueness, and some fantasy. When you always make your meaning perfectly plain you end up boring people. Edgar Degas. The painter will produce pictures of little merit if he takes the works of others as his standard. Leonardo Da Vinci. If you could say it in words, there would be no reason to paint. Edward Hopper. To create one's own world takes courage. Georgia O'Keeffe. The object isn't to make art, it's to be in that wonderful state which makes art inevitable. Robert Henri. I hope this sparked your creativity to paint. For more art videos and related art subjects, subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to look outstanding and get your quality custom fun distressed artist tees. This link is in the description below. Don't miss out, you may find something you like or a gift for someone, nowhere else in the world. Be unique. Please leave a positive comment. Have a great day and thanks for watching.